meteorologist Ray Petelin joins us now with a closer look at all that smoke up there. Ray.
Yeah, just like remember the Saharan dust a while back? That's in the air and it actually reflects the light, refracts the light, and you see things differently. You notice that the sky has a white or orangish hue to it. That's because of the smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere. During the sunrise and sunset, the sun looks kind of funny, as we just showed you. That's because of the smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and this is all blowing in from the wildfires in California. So it just goes to show how we're all sort of connected by the atmosphere. So that's going to continue to blow in here, and even into tomorrow, very similar look to the sky can be expected even into early Thursday. But Thursday we have a cold front dropping in, and that's going to push this all aside. The smoke will stay out to the west. We will be seeing those clearer, bluer skies taking over. However, don't get too used to it. Next week, it looks like we might get a secondary push of some smoke when our atmospheric flow changes and we get some of those upper level winds trying to bring some of that back into the area. So tonight, if you look up, the stars might look a little fuzzy. That's why. And we have temperatures in the low 50s right now, calm winds, very comfortable, but temperatures are going to drop a couple more degrees around the area, and we're going to have a cooler setup again for tomorrow morning. So we're looking at many of our numbers already down into the 40s north of Pittsburgh, and I think outside of the city, many of these temperatures will be into the 40s by the time we wake up in the morning. Satellite and radar does not show a lot of action happening here. Gulf Coast, completely different story. We've been talking about Sally here, moving at about 2 miles per hour at this point to the north-northeast, and this is going to push up towards that Alabama, Florida border there and move inland and move to the east. So this is not going to have an impact on us locally. Well south of our area, we'll see some clouds trying to lift in, but for us, that's not a issue at all. You'll see some clouds still trying to stream in here, but overall, we're looking very quiet tomorrow. We'll mix in a couple clouds with that upper level smoke for the afternoon. And mind you, that upper level smoke is way up there, so that shouldn't be causing issues here at the surface. So air quality should still be okay, although they're going to go down a little bit because of the warmer temperatures tomorrow. But into Thursday, that cold front takes over and clears us out again. Maybe an isolated shower with this, but there's not much moisture for this front to work with to pull off the rain or even thunderstorms. So we'll just see some clouds mixing in as this front's coming in. Then you'll notice it gets more comfortable and the sky will start turning bluer as we go through Friday. 51, mostly clear tonight, light and variable winds. Tomorrow, those temperatures back to about 80 degrees, so a little warmer than what we had today. Should be pretty comfortable still with lower humidity, and over the course of the day, we'll start off in those low 50s. By lunchtime, we're looking at temps mid-70s, and then closer to 80 degrees for dinner time. Over the next 7 days, these temperatures come back down and way down by Friday. Up mid to upper 60s there, mostly sunny skies. Mid to upper 60s through the weekend and into the start of next week. And that's for highs. Overnight lows are going to be down into the 40s, so a much more fall-like feel to the forecast. And then Tuesday of next week, we'll see those temperatures nudge back into the low to mid 70s. And with the cooler setup, the KDKA weather app is a very useful tool. It gives you the current conditions, hour by hour and daily forecast, along with a free interactive radar. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.